Good evening, this is Jan. Now tonight I'm going to prepare ostrich steak. This is it. Just look at the beautiful ruby red color of this meat. As side dishes I'm going to prepare oyster mushrooms and pak choi. So I'm going to season the meat first. A little bit of kosher salt, not too much. That's too much. Black pepper, can be never enough, so I'm putting quite a lot. As for the aromatic herbs, I'm choosing thyme, nice Mediterranean flavor. This will provide, as well as oregano. As I'm putting the ostrich steak on a grill pan, I will put some pimenton for extra smokiness. A little bit of olive oil. Rub it in. And then on both sides so you make sure that everything is covered with the spices and the herbs and the olive oil. I'm going to start by cooking the mushrooms because they take a little more time. The oil is hot, so mushrooms straight in. I'm going to put some salt in there to make them sweat. And then the pak choi I'm going to put in the same pan. Now to this blend of oyster mushrooms and beautiful vegetables, pak choi, I'm adding some black pepper, ginger, quite a amount, and last but not least parsley, for some herbaceousness. The grill pan is hot, so I'm gonna put in the ostrich steak. About 1.5 minutes per side will do. It's time to flip them over. Now let them rest for a couple of minutes. I love ostrich steak. A long time since I've eaten this, so this will taste good. That's for sure. It's kind of like medium rare to rare. Just how I like it. Put much black pepper in there, so it's very spicy. Plus the additional smokiness from the pimenton. Now for the mushrooms. That's very earthy. Nice with this meat. This poultry. Pak Choi. That's got a nice flavor. Very good combination with the oyster mushrooms. Ostrich and oyster mushroom in one bite. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.